Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen special for Hyundai Solaris Verna. Okay, let me introduce. It comes with special harness and special two harness for head unit. You can check this one and this one. These two harnesses both come with head units. Okay, let me show it. You can choose the time, you can choose logo, you can check the settings. Belsee is the manufacturer of an Android car head unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. You can change the Hyundai logo. Okay, and adjust the SIM color on this SIM panel. Any color you can adjust it. Okay, all apps are here. It built DSP amplifier. Okay, and Bluetooth is stream music from your phone, Google Maps and Play Store. This is Android Auto and Apple CarPlay Z-Link. Okay. Firstly, let me check the settings. You can check built-in Wi-Fi, connect Wi-Fi, support hotspot from your phone. Let me check the system. MC variant, you can check octa-core, PX5, RAM 4GB, Android 9 Pie system. Okay, let me check the storage. You can check total 64GB. Okay. Let me check the car setting, personal setting, LED settings. You can change this button color. Any color you can adjust this panel. Okay, let me choose a red. First, let me introduce Bluetooth. This device name Belsee, pin number 40. Okay. Let me open my phone from okay, you can check their Bluetooth. Please enable it. Then click search button to search the device name. Okay, click pair. Show connecting Galaxy S8 Plus. Okay, get the command. Please put this pin number 401234. Click OK. If you not show it, please disconnect and try again. I think the first time, please try again to connect. Okay. Okay, it show Bluetooth icon. It means connected. Okay, let me connect small speaker to test the sound. If you connect speaker, then it will have sound. Okay. You see it have sound. The sound from speaker. Okay, it worked without problem. Let me check the stream music from your phone. Okay, this stream music from your phone. This music, you can check head unit will come with two USB cable on back of head unit. Connect one USB. It's a show, and our head unit support USB hub. Can I show it? This is USB hub. Let me connect. You can check this light for USB. It's USB hub. Okay. It's USB driver. Let me connect. It plays music automatically. The SP amplifier. built in Google Map. Split screen. Video disabled for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings. Car setting, drum setting, turn on the watch video, and play video game. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact us. Okay, thank you.